Hey, welcome to the Drill Down Earnings. We've got the latest results, fourth quarter results from a company called IonQ. Maybe they pronounce it Ionic. I'm calling it IonQ. That's the stock ticker. This is the business story behind this one stock on the move. And yeah, the stock's moving. I'm Futurum Group's chief market strategist here in San Francisco in the Ferry Building here at Shack 15. Look, IonQ earnings, maybe not so important from an earnings result, but bookings and scientific developments for this company are very important. But yeah, I guess this was kind of a beat. That's all Wall Street really cares about here. Certainly the bookings were. But let's talk about the business did. So IonQ's sales, they recognized revenue of $6.1 million for the quarter, $22 million for the full year if you look back over the last year. And that was on the high end of expectations in the financial outlook, 98% annual growth compared to the $11 million the previous year. But look, what's really important here is the bookings. $6.7 million in new bookings in the fourth quarter, $65 million in bookings for the full year, way above the ranges that were expected by analysts. We look a little bit deeper. Hell, we've already done that because we did a drill down podcast with the IonQ CEO Peter Chapman. You can check that out. It's in the notes from this broadcast, episode number 234 for those of you scoring at home or those of you alone. Let's look at the stock chart. What happened here? You saw the stock really rally on the bookings number, and then maybe during the conference call sell off a little bit. Stock up a lot in the last year. So what happened? Well, Tom Kramer, the chief financial officer, was asked to characterize the bookings. And the real question here was, were they getting bookings from customers buying their hardware, or were the bookings a little more people kind of exploring what they do? And it sounds like it was more exploration, less hardware-related bookings. Here is Tom Kramer, the CFO.
We did not have any hardware-related bookings in Q4. However, you can tell from two things that we are absolutely expecting to see that in 24. Number one, it's just a high bookings number, which comes from the fact that our systems sell at a very high price, but very much worth it.
All right, what's this all mean for this really exciting quantum computing company? And what's our big drill down earnings bite one number that tells us a whole lot, maybe the biggest number ever in the history of the drill down, certainly the history of the drill down earnings, right after this.
The Drill Down is brought to you by Futurum Group, where analysts, researchers, advisors, content creators, and marketing experts help business leaders anticipate and understand shifts in their industries and build strategies to leverage disruptive innovation. With deep analysis, Futurum Group's extensive industry experience delivers reliable research and data, thought leadership, and actionable advice to help you with your strategy and go-to-market efforts. Futurum Group.
Quick drill down earnings takeaway on the quantum computing company, the only pure play in quantum computing in the markets, IonQ. The stock ticker, of course, is also IonQ. This company reporting revenues, not really important. $6 million in revenues, whatever. $65 million in bookings for the year. But I think what's really important here is the fact that bookings are rising for this company and what they're about to do in quantum computing with their new thing, the AQ64. And it's better than the AQ29, yes, but the AQ64, that's the source of our bite. That bite is 34 billion. 34 billion times more powerful than the AQ29, that's the AQ64, which they expect to have on the market in a little more than a year. Very exciting for this company. The booking numbers are important, but the AQ64 is the whole ballgame for IonQ because it's 34 billion times more powerful. Just amazing. All right, thanks for listening to Drill Down Earnings. I'm Cory Johnson. Check us out on all the socials, Instagram, TikTok, robust earnings reports on YouTube. Check those out. Follow me on X at CoryTV. Drill Down Earnings, part of the 6-5 Media Group.